Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Alright, in this video, I want to be talking about FBS broker. FBS is a Forex broker, just like XNEX. You all know XNEX is our broker, XNEX is what I use, and XNEX is what I will recommend. But why am I talking about FBS, you might wonder. Now, this is the reason why I'm talking about FBS. I do get a whole lot of DMs from a whole lot of students. Oh sir, we have been following your signals, we've been following your tutorials, we've been trading our demo account, and we've seen that it's successful, you are good, we are getting it. But the problem now is we don't have money to deposit into our XNES account to trade. Sir, please can you help us? Sir, please can you help us? Because sometimes I do give away in my Telegram group. So, but the thing is, I can't help a whole lot of people. I can only help the people that my power can carry. So this is why am I talking about FBS? Now, FBS, they are giving out $50 to anyone who registers on their platform. It's a $50 bonus. Once you register on their platform, they will give you a $50 bonus. Now, this bonus, you cannot withdraw it, but you can use it to trade. So every profit you make from the bonus is what you can now withdraw into your bank account. So I feel this is an information most of you really need right now, since you are trading my signals, and you all know that my signals are 90%, 95% accurate. So you can definitely grow this account and make profit. Now let's head over to FBS. Let's see what it's talking about. Now this is the bonus, but let me go home, their dashboard. Let's say once you just open your FBS account, this is the dashboard. If you check below, you will see dashboard, promotion, finances, calendar, and more. Once you click promotions, it will take you to this part. Now this is the promotion where this is the bonus we are talking about, this $50 bonus. Now let's click it. It said 50 bonus, get your win, available on MT4. So you need to have an MT4 app. Do you understand? Just download it. It's very, very simple. This no deposit bonus is here to help you grow as a trader and get up to $500 in profit. Now, if you check the picture above, it illustrates it. Once you start with $50, you won't be able to withdraw. So once you make $25, that means 25 adding to this 50 will be $75. You can withdraw the $25 into your bank account. Once you now grow to, I think this picture, because I'm just so new to this, somebody brought it to my notice to help most of my students in my Telegram group. So if you haven't even joined my Telegram training group, I'll be pasting the link in the description of this video. If you haven't joined my Telegram signal groups, I'll also be pasting the link in the description of this video. And if you also want to register on this FBS bonus, you need to use my unique link that I'll be posting in the description of this video. So just click the link and register and get the $50, enter my VIP group, my signal groups, to get signals to trade this to win, because it is very, very possible. With Spirit FX, you can do it, guys. You can do it. So if you just got here, if you just got here, you will not see this available balance and profit you are seeing here. You won't see this thing here. Only what you will see is verify your phone number, verify your email address, and verify your ID. So you need to just provide a valid ID card. It is quite easy. Any valid ID card you have, just provide it. Once it is approved, that's when you will now see this available balance and all these things. So right now, I want to show you how to link it to your MetaTrader 4. You see these settings here, you tap these settings. Once you tap these settings, now let's say you haven't verified or you want to link, what you would see is, let me just click this generate new password so you would understand. Once I click this generate new password, you see, once you are just registering, you will see this MetaTrader login, MetaTrader password, server, and server IP. So what you want to do is go to your MetaTrader 4. See, I've already linked my own. That's why you can see the $50 is just there. I'm just starting everything today because most times I love to try something first to see how it works before I introduce it to my members. But I have heard a whole lot of people say it is real, it is genuine. It is real and genuine. So that's why I feel I can talk to you while I'm doing it. All right, so what you want to do now is click settings here on your MetaTrader 4. So mine is already linked to Henry Smith, FBS Inc. bonus 1. So once you click it here, what you want to click, you click the plus sign here. Once you click this plus sign here, you click log into an existing account. Once you click log into an existing account, click search for FBS. Once you scroll down, you will see the FBS bonus 1. This is it here. You tap it. Once you tap it, you will see the login details and let's use the login. You know why I was disconnected? Because I clicked this generate new password. That was why I was disconnected from the old one. So I will just copy this MetaTrader login, paste it here, copy this MetaTrader password, then paste it here. then click sign in. I'm already in. Once you click trade, you see that the $50 is there. So right now it's left for me now to grow this account. So once I start trading, once I grow it to $75, I can withdraw the $25. So guys, this thing is helpful to those who don't have money to fund their Xness account straight up. So you can use this to grow yourself, make real money. FBS, kudos to FBS. Kudos to FBS, because this is good. They're actually helping traders trade. That is if it is 100% true, because like I said, I haven't tried it. This is first. As you can see, I just have the bonus. I just even registered today, so I haven't tried it, but I feel, because I've heard a whole lot of stories. So if you have tried it and it's working, please drop a comment in the comment section so that we will know, because I am also still new to this FBS platform, and Xness is my broker, and I'm going to trade with Xness till Jesus Christ comes. Xness is the best broker, honestly speaking. FBS is good for what they are doing like this. They are good. So for those who don't have money, hop in and try it. Don't forget to register with the link that I'll be pasting in the description of this video. Please register through that link. All right guys, let's try and see how this thing goes. And like I said, if you have any comment about this, if you have done it before, please drop a comment. Let us know whether it's working or not. Thank you very much guys. God bless you.